Yeah, with that 5 hours. Alright, so my homies came to visit from out of town, right? And he's been looking for a car. He wants a Mustang. He's always wanted a Mustang or a Scat Pack. I'm telling this fool to go with an F150 though. You feel me? Like, since I got mine, so I'm gonna let this fool drive it. Full bolt-ons, F150. He's been
first reaction right here. First reaction.
He's been test driving Mustangs and Scat Packs. He just hasn't found the right one that he wants yet. But I'm trying to convince him to get a truck. I'm like, fuck it, just get a truck. We're gonna see what's up. So I'm gonna record his reaction to driving my truck for the first time. I'm a little paranoid to let him drive it low key, but fuck it, fool.
For the one time.
I was showing him a little bit already right now to do like the pulls and shit like that, like to put it in gear and all that. But I think he'll be
You don't
straight.
have to show me again that ass back because I already forgot a little bit.
I was just putting manual.
So,
This fool don't got the pedal yet. He keep fucking.
I don't.
Does it really feel that bouncy?
Yeah, fool. When I test drove the Scat Pack, I think it felt crazy to me.
For real?
Yeah, that is what I used to.
All right, let me tell you guys his background. The only car he's ever had was a Nissan Altima. But this was finally gonna get a car, so we're like, fuck yeah. And he's test drove, like I let him drive my other shit. I think he drove this truck when it was stock. Then when I had my Jeep SRT8, he drove that one too. I let him drive it. Fuck it, just floor right here, floor it. Don't even put in gear, just step on it. Oh my god.
That feels crazy, bro. Oh shit, that shit feels crazy.
Damn, it does feel fast on the passenger side, bro. What was that? You went from like 50 to 90, huh? You didn't go too crazy.
Nah, I got to almost 100. That felt crazy though, fool.
I wanted to do a dig, so we're gonna go to an empty street. Right now it's kind of sketchy. Like we're doing little I was going around right now. We're trying to find what street to do it at. And low key we kept seeing cops, so low key a little sketchy. But we're gonna go to this empty street. So in case cops do pull up, we got an excuse for me. We're at an empty street, trying to be safe about it. But we'll be straight. I'm pretty sure we'll be straight. So the last time this fool drove this truck, you drove it with stock, huh? You drove it once. He drove it with completely stock. I had nothing done to my truck. And then he moved out of town. And he was gone probably for like a year. So this is his first time back. He came back for the holidays, so that's why he's looking for a car. I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna let you drive this shit. I'm trying to convince this fool to go with an F150, but listen to me.
It might be the move. It might be the move, man.
I mean, the Mustang's cool though. Don't get me wrong. I gotta get a Mustang too. But I mean, these trucks, the 4x4 just helps. So right now he did the pull. It was in 2-wheel drive and with traction on. So I kind of felt it that it cuts power a little bit. It starts to spin. Especially because my tires are bald already. But right now we'll put in 4x4 and I'll let him do a dig too, so you can really feel it out. Alright, so we're gonna continue the video more right now. We're waiting on one of the homies. He's just gonna pull up just to see what's up to him. Like I said, he came from out of town, this fool right here. Because they've been here in a minute, so the other homie wanted to come see what's up. And then right now I'm gonna let him do a dig. So I'm gonna let him do a dig and I'm gonna let him do like a 40 roll. Because that little pull he did right now, he wasn't even in the right gear. He was just in auto. He did like a little, I think he was going like 57, so it was like a weird ass roll. So I was just let him do it real quick. But right now I'm gonna do like a video where he's like in an actual gear and then do a 4x4 dig and 4x4. I'm trying to convince him, I'm like, get an F150. But this is the only thing is right, because I mean, he says he wants to get a car and just be done with it. If he gets the F150, well, he has to like put money into it to make it look nice. Obviously it don't come like that. I just want this fool to do a dig. Like I said, he's never really, well, I mean, he's been test driving the cars he wants to get. Between a Scat Pack or a Mustang. He says he wants an Infinity last time. But yeah, I'm trying to put him on this truck. I'm telling him, get an F150. I'm like, if you want a Mustang, this is a truck. I'm Mustang in the truck for me. Feel me? You can't go wrong with it. Yeah, well, I'm gonna keep letting my homie do more little pulls on this one. I still want to do like a 40 roll and a dig at least. But yeah, tomorrow I'm probably gonna make another video because he says tomorrow he's gonna get the car he's gonna get, because he has to get a car to drive back to where he lives. He lives in Colorado, because he didn't buy a plane ticket back, so he says he needs to buy a car to drive back home. But he says he's either gonna pull up tomorrow with an Infinity, a Q50, a Scat Pack, or a Mustang. All right, so what you gonna get?
I'm probably gonna pop out with a little Scat Pack.
Either
Scat Pack or 5.0. Scat Pack or 5.0.
Cause he low key he found a good Scat Pack. It was a 2018,
yeah.
But it's super low miles, and he showed me like it's a super clean Carfax. The car's one owner, like super clean, and it has like the Brimbos already, the nice interior with that Cantera, the leather. It's 2018 though. He says he doesn't want it that old, but that shit has only 20,000 miles, and I think they told him 37 out the door, huh? I feel like it's a good price. 36 out the door with fees, tags, everything included. I'm telling him that it's a good price for him to get it. But it's because he just doesn't really like the color. Because I don't know what you call that color in the Scat Pack. It's like that burgundy color. And it's a slim body, obviously. But I mean, he's always been into Scat Packs. But he says he kind of wants a Mustang. But the Mustang what he's trying to get is a performance package with the leather seats, the Recaros. I mean not the Recaros. Or if he can find the Recaros, yeah. But the performance package with the leather seats, the digital dash, and the Brimbos, and then obviously like the nice wheels and the little wing. That's the type of Mustang he's trying to buy. But he can't find one. All the ones he finds, he goes, and when he pulls up, they're already selling them. So, because he found this clean ass one, it was like in this nice green color. But when he pulled up, he said that shit was already getting sold like that exact moment. Let's see what's up. I feel like it'll be clean if he gets a scat pack. I'll be excited shit, so he can let me drive that shit too. I've never driven one. See what's up with the scat pack. I got the homie pulling up.
I did. I said, what car are you getting? I said, let me get a big body Benz.
This fool's about to get rear-ended. You see this car pulling up hella close to him? Fuck. There's that fool right here in his lifted F-150. Just came out in the video before. That Whipple.
Bro, Marcus truck clean too, fool.
I lifted boy, huh?
Hey, say what's up to the vlog, fool. Say what's up to the vlog, fam.
This is the homie Marco's truck. This truck's been in the videos before when we went to that truck meet. Lifted. Shit hard. Makes me want to lift mine, bro. When I see it with the 35, this shit look pretty clean. Sadly, this fool got a hit and run, bro. Look, minor setback though. He already got the LED headlights, tail lights. He just hasn't put them on, and then he just has to fix that dent. But he'll come back. No biggie. All the way, all the way.
You could just be in the middle, or
I told him.
yeah.
But how you gonna leave your girl here, fool?
Let me.
Oh, yeah, you right.
No, let me be on this side. So now you answer.
This fool getting pressed.
Nah, we didn't get permission, bro.
This fool got in trouble by his girl. That's funny.
Nah.
You said it didn't get permission? Show him a little something.
Hey, let's race, fool.
Traction off.
Nah, don't do that. Nah, don't do it. Ooh, last time he almost crashed. Hold on. Last time he did that, almost crashed and he was doing the shot. It was raining, me and my homies were swinging it, and he took the traction off and almost crashed.
Take the traction off, right? Yeah, record your shit.
Nah, but I don't do no dumb shit, fool. Dead ass.
Let's do a burnout, pa.
But dead ass almost crashed last time. Oh, I didn't record it. I flipped the camera around. Boom. About to put the motherfucker on 4x4. So press the manual mode right here. Press that. Alright, now it's in gear. Now with the pedal shift is downshift.
So what?
And just keep it straight, fool. I think right here is a pretty straight road. Alright, just stop. Alright.
Yeah?
There you go. Step on it.
Full throttle?
Yeah, go. Hold the 2 wheels. Yellow lights.
Why the fuck is that shit fast as fuck too? Don't buy that shit.
Really? Let's see what it is.
What is that, fool?
I don't know. That's a white guy. Watch out, right now do a 40 roll, so start slowing down. No, stay right here. Start slowing down a little bit. Start downshifting again.
What?
To second gear. What gear are you in?
I'm on second gear.
Are you sure? Alright, step on it?
Yeah. Step on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, with that 5
I'm gonna let this fool, he's gonna do another one. You can do a 40 roll again. So you'll put it in manual mode again?
I think I get it. I'll see if on this.
And put it down in second gear. You're in second gear already?
Yeah, I'm on second.
Alright, step on it a little bit. Just give it a little gas. I don't think it's second gear. There you go, not in second gear. Alright, 1, 2, 3, just go. Way faster passenger and passenger, bro.
It's insane, bro.
Bro, imagine a Whipple one though, bro. My dad's is faster than this because his is
Deadass?
Whipple, bro. His shit probably makes 100 horsepower more than me.
This thing feels insane, bro.
His shit's only stage 1 Whipple, but it's for sure faster than mine, bro.
Bro, that's so tough, man. My skin, if I do get this cat, it's not gonna feel like this, bro.
Bro, but even the Mustang, bro, because obviously mine is modded. Any car when you mod it, it's gonna feel fast, bro.
Deadass?
Yeah, bro, imagine, remember when it was stock? It did not feel like this when it was stock. You drove it when it was stock.
No, you're right, you're right.
This is any car you could make. Bro, last time when I raced a Scat Pack, I don't think it was stock. He was on my ass, bro. His front bumper was right here on my side mirror. And I know he wasn't stock because I raced stock ones and I kept the fuck out of him. That dude was on my ass and we did a roll. That's who liked it though. I'm telling him, I'm like, fuck it, bro. Just go with a truck. Get an F-150.
It's tough, man.
But this is the only thing with the F-150s too. I mean, he's right about what he says. He's like on a Mustang or a Scat Pack, you know, it's already pretty clean. You don't really have to dump a bunch of shit into it right away. So on F-150s, if you get a stock one, like, you gotta dump money to a drop kit or a lift kit, then you gotta drop, because my shit obviously didn't feel like this when it was stock, so you gotta spend money to do that on nice wheels. So like, you obviously gotta dump more money into making them like lug and feel this way, you feel me? So obviously with the Mustang and stuff, well, it's already a sports car, it already comes for all that, you know. Obviously you can make it way faster still too, but I mean, I'm pretty sure on a stock Mustang it probably feels somewhat like this. Or I could probably I've beat stock Mustangs before on roads, but obviously with the same mods on the stock Mustang as is, got the fuck out of me on the stock Mustang. That clip was funny. I think I got to record his face. I don't get the gimbal, but he got next to us. He's like, fuck yeah, what that 500? Yeah.
Shit, with that 5
Dude was hauling ass though.
Bro, I'm telling you, I saw him. I was like, bro, what the fuck? Who's on our ass? Bro, I thought it was a cop. I was like,
Recorded the day. And then he's like, hey, there's a car catching up to us, and we thought it was a cop. But then I saw in the mirror that they had yellow headlights. So I'm like, nah, I doubt it's a cop. But just slow down, see what kind of car it is. And then it's some truck, dude. It's this white guy just screaming all happy, bro. That shit was funny.
you should have gave that for a ride, bro.
I know, I should let him whip it. He was whipping the fuck out of his truck, bro. You seen that? He was smashed into the Honda, bro. So I just let this fool finish driving it right now. I'll see what this fool thinks right here.
All right, overall experience, 10 out of 10. I might get a 5-0. I don't know. I gotta think about it.
Time to just get, I mean, either the Mustang or the Scat Pack. You can't go wrong with
Nah,
it.
the truck was hard though. Yeah, this shit was fun. This shit was fun for sure.
But that's what I was telling him. Like, if you get the Mustang, like, it'll be obviously fast off the jump. Because my truck obviously does not feel like this when it was stock. You feel me? I had to do this shit to it. But we'll see what's up. He said tomorrow he's gonna tell me to link up with him. He's gonna
pop out with the new whip.
with the new car. So I'm gonna record what he pulls up with tomorrow. Make a video of that one. And then he gotta let me drive that shit now too. Fuck it. Alright, I'll be the end of the video. I'll see what I record next time. But I was just doing a quick little video with my homie. Like I said, he came from out of town to visit for the holidays and shit. He's about to leave soon, so we're just gonna record a little video. I'm like, fuck it, you gonna be on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
But we'll see what he gets.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn notifications on.
Alright.
Cut that part out.
Nah, I'm gonna keep that shit in there, fool. Alright, peace out.